Let's now look at how we can choose the parts that we want to display in a role center. And we saw already that the role center is very important. But it could be possible that not all of the components displayed are equally important to you, and that you might want to hide some of these components and maybe add other components. So here in my Microsoft Dynamics NAV application, I've switched to the sales order processor role center. But of course, you can do what I will show you now with any role center. And we can see components such as activities showing a number of queues. We have a chart, so the trailing sales orders, my items, the report inbox, and so on. Now the first thing that we can do now is select the components that we want to display. Maybe the report inbox is not very important for me, so there's no use of displaying it in my role center. So let's have a look. I can go here to the application menu. I can go to customize, and then I can go to customize this page. And then you can see the different building blocks of my role center. So what I can do now is, for example, say I would like to remove the report inbox. So there we go. Maybe I would like to move my notifications to the left. So there we go. You see, it's like a puzzle that I'm creating, so with the different components of my role center. And let's also add a chart part. So I will click on Add. And this one I would like to display the right side of my role center. And now I will customize the part. And for example, I would like to show a chart on, let's say, fixed assets, like fixed assets per location and subclass. So these are a number of available charts that you can display in a role center. There we go. And let's have a look at the changes that I've made. So first of all, you can see that if I scroll down, that there are no report inbox parts anymore, so these have been removed. I also moved my notifications to the left, so here you can see my notifications which have been moved to the left. And I also added the fixed asset per fixed asset location and subclass chart, which I can display now here, so which you can see here. You see? So that's the first thing that we can do when personalizing the role center. That's simply choosing the parts that we want to display and also selecting where we want to display them.